Exercise 5.5, Problem 11, Discussion. Let's read the problem. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the point of intersection of the lines 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 and 5x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 and parallel to the line joining points 1, 2 and 2, 1. So here what they say is that the line is parallel to the line joining these 2 points. Okay, so this you'll have to break the problem here. Okay, right. So find the equation of the straight line. Okay, that's one thing. Okay, passing through the point of intersection of the lines 2x plus y minus 3. So what it says that this line and this line, it intersects on one point, and the required line passes through that point. So basically you have to solve these two equations and you get one point through which the line passes, and then they are saying it is parallel to the line joining the points 1, 2 and 2, 1. So from these 2 points you can calculate the slope, right? And any line parallel to this line will be having the same slope, okay, which is going to be the slope of the required line. So this will give us slope, and this part will give us 1 point. And use your slope point form and calculate the equation of the straight line. So let's draw a simple diagram. So here it says this line and this line intersects at one point P, and this line, this is the required line, is parallel to this line, right, AB, which is 1, 2 and B is 2, 1. So find the slope of this line using 2-point form, and the slope of the required line will be the same value because parallel lines have the same slope. And solve these two equations and get 1 point P. So now we have the 1 point on the line, and we also know the slope. So using slope point form, we should be able to calculate the equation of the straight line. Okay, so given the 2 points are given and the 2 lines are given, we are asked to calculate the equation of the straight line which passes through this point of intersection and parallel to this line. Using the slope point form, we will be able to calculate it. Okay, the 1 point is given by solving these two equations, and the slope is given by from these 2 points, and the slope of 2 points is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So let's list out the steps. Step 1, solve the two equations and get the point of intersection P, right? Next, substituting the points 1, 2 and 2, 1 in the formula m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, calculate the slope of line AB. Okay. Next, now the slope of the required line will have the same slope, right, because parallel lines have the same slope. So whatever slope we are calculating for AB, that is also the slope of our required line, and we also have 1 point P on it. So use the slope point form. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, where m is the slope of AB and x1 y1 is this point of intersection. Okay, so I think now the problem must be little easy. So please pause the video and try to work this problem. But as I've been telling in the past, the key is to underline. Okay, I've missed to underline. These are the equation. This is all the given information, right? Parallel, and it is joining these points. And the next key thing is to break the problem into parts. So find the equation of the straight line is one part. Then they say passing through the point of intersection and parallel to this point. So if you break it, you will be able to understand the problem clearly. Okay, so please try this problem and come back and check your working against our solution. Solution. So let's solve these two lines. 2x plus y minus equal to 3 and 5x plus y equal to 6. So what we can do, if you see, okay, subtract, you can do an elimination method. So you subtract 2 from 1 or 1 minus 2, you will get x. So 2x minus 5x is minus 3x. Y minus y will get cancelled. So 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So minus 3x is minus 3, or x is equal to 1. Now substitute x is equal to 1 in equation 1. So this equation will become 2 into x, that is 2 into 1, plus y equal to 3. So y will be equal to 3 minus 2, that's equal to 1. So the point of intersection P is 1, 1. So 1/2 of the problem is solved. Now we know the point P is 1, 1. Now we need to calculate the slope of AB, which is also the slope of the required line, as the two lines are parallel to each other. The slope of two lines is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So slope of the line joining 1, 2 and 2, 1 is, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So it will be y2 minus y1, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, right? So that's equal to minus 1 divided by minus 1, so that's equal to minus 1. So the slope of the required line is minus 1 because parallel lines have the same slope, right? And we also have one point P on it, 1, 1. Now you use the slope point form. So this is m and this is x1 y1 in this equation. So y minus y1, that is y minus 1 equal to slope minus m. Sorry, slope is minus 1 into x minus x1. x1 is 1 here. So y minus 1 will be minus 1x plus 1. So this will become x plus y minus 1, and this will also become minus 1. So it will become x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the required line. Okay, so I hope I made the problem clear for you. If not, please go through the video one more time. Thank you for watching this video.